Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Grace Annobil. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make corned beef pie. That's on the menu today. Let's talk through the ingredients and get started. I have here 3 carrots diced, 2 medium size of onions diced, 2 eggs and 500 grams of butter, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, a tablespoon of coconut oil, a brush, 1 tin of canned beef, a teaspoon of vegetable seasoning, and 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk, 4 cups of soft raisin flour, and a cutter. You can use any round bowl that you have, okay? So to my frying pan, I'll add my coconut oil. I'll leave this to melt and then add my diced onions. Okay, so I'll leave the onions and the oil for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then next add my carrots. So I'll leave this for about 5 minutes because the carrots are hard and I want them to be soft but not too soft. We don't want to overcook this because it will go into the oven again, so it should be halfway, okay? Alright guys, so now I'll go ahead and add my canned beef to this. Okay, and give it a good stir and then break the corned beef down at the same time. We don't want it in chunks like this, okay? At this point, I'm adding my vegetable seasoning to this for a very beautiful taste. I will then give this a good stir and leave it on for about 3 minutes. Right, so now I'll transfer my filling into a bowl and leave it to cool. I'll spread it out for it to cool down quickly, okay? Right, so while I'm waiting for that to cool down, I will then come and work on my dough. So to my flour, I'll add my nutmeg and then give it a good stir to make sure it combines properly. Next, I'll add my butter and then massage it in or rub it in. Right. Now it's time to add my eggs. So I'll go ahead and then add my eggs to that. Mix it again. I'm now going to add my milk, the evaporated milk, okay? Yeah. I've added a tablespoon of that to it. Because looking at the texture, I will not need all, so I've added half of it, which is a tablespoon. Okay, right, so I will now cover this with a cling film and then chill it for half an hour. I'm chilling this because I want my pie to be crunchy. Okay, so after half an hour, it's time to make the pie. So when making pie, you will need extra flour for dusting your chopping board and extra milk or egg for brushing. Okay, so I've taken part of the dough on my and then putting it on my chopping board. Now I'll roll it to about 1.5 inch thickness, and then use my cookie cutter or my cutter to cut it. It's time to fill it. Right, so you put the filling right in the middle. Okay, make sure it is right in the middle and then fold it halfway through. Okay, yes, and then press it down using your fingertips and your thumb, the tip of your thumb, and then make a hole on top using the fork. All right, so I'll sprinkle flour on the board again, take part of my dough, roll it, cut, then add your filling. The filling should always be right in the middle. Okay, so you fold it through one way, one side. Press it down using your fingertips or your thumb tip, the tip of your thumb. Make a hole on top with your fork, put it away. So you keep doing that until you finish working all your dough. So I'm going to show you another way of sealing your pie. Okay, you can choose to use your thumb or the fork. All right, so this time I'm going to show you how to seal it using the fork. Okay, so after filling it, fold it through, press it down using the tips of your fingers, and then press it down with the back of your fork, just as I'm doing. Make the hole and then put it away. Oh. You can use anything round in cutting it, okay? And it doesn't matter if it's round because I have a cutter that is heart shape and I use that in making pie. So yeah, I'll be making a video on that. I'll be showing you guys how to make a heart shape pie so you can make one for your lover. Right, so now it's time to egg wash or milk wash. You can either use egg or milk, okay? That's what gives the pie that golden color and makes it attractive as well. Appetizing. Name it all. Right, so now the pie is ready to go into the oven. So while I was doing this, I was preheating my oven as well. So now I'm going to bake this at 120 degrees for 30 minutes. All right, so after 30 minutes, look at that beautiful pie. My corned beef pie is ready. Here you go. It's as easy and simple as that. Corned beef pie. All right, so look at the inside. It looks so beautiful, isn't it? Look at the carrots. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video, okay? So yeah, try this recipe and let me know what you think. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next one. Bye bye.